Hello everyone, welcome back to the Minute Cryptic for June 28th, 2025. Today's clue is, one goes into debt, flying private jet. One goes into debt, a silent B. Flying private. One. Well, one is the letter I in Roman numerals. And if you put an I into debt, you could have debit, which is 5 letters. Is there some reason that flying private jet would mean debit? I don't think so. Debut? Well, no, because one is not you, it's I. Flying private. Private jet is a charter? A flying private is like a cadet, maybe? To jet is to leave. I don't understand what to do with private. I mean, I don't know what to do with any of it, but like private is a word I don't have experience with. Whereas all the others I can put together some things that could mean something. I mean, I don't know what... Oh, maybe flying? Flying could be an anagram indicator, I suppose. So maybe if we had one go into debt, we would get debit, and then write that flying, and it could mean private jet? Yes, of course, I see, very cute. A bidet is a private jet, not a private jet, but a private jet, very funny. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.